In this video, I am gonna show you how to create spotlight effect in Figma. So let's get started. First thing, let's make a frame. Now change its color. Make a circle. Change its color. Select Effect, and choose Layer Blur, and make Blur 90. Now duplicate the circle. And now change its color. Make the blur same like before. Now select both circle. And change their opacity to 42%. Now let's add some text. Select all the text. Make equal spacing. And make them in group. Make them in center. Now duplicate the text. Now make a circle again. Change its color. Add effect. Choose Layer Blur. And make Blur 20. Now duplicate the circle. Change its color. Make its blur same like before. Now select both circle and make them in frame. Now duplicate the frame. Now select first frame, and change its opacity to 0. Select both frame. And make component set. Now let's prototype them. Connect first frame with second. Choose while hovering. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve ease in and out. And duration will be 300 milliseconds. Put it above text. And make their duplicates. Until it cover the entire text. Select all the component and make them in center. Now make a frame of it. Select all components inside frame. And make their opacity 0. Now select frame and duplicate text and make a mask. Let's see how it's look. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.